How to enable missing high performance plan in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Windows actually hides the high performance or ultimate performance power plans in your control panel. So what you want to go ahead and do first is press Windows key and S together, and then just type in CMD for command prompt, but make sure you run it as administrator. Go ahead and press yes when any prompt comes up. All I'm going to do is then press copy code, and then all I want to do is press enter, and then you just want to copy this exactly, so you can just pause the video right now if you want to, and all you're going to do is go ahead and press enter like so, and this is high performance. Now, to unlock maximum CPU frequency scaling without micro throttling, paste the next command I'm going to put in. So put this one in, the second one, then go ahead and press enter, and that's going to be for the ultimate performance power plan. Now I can go ahead and close this. I'm going to press Windows key and R together, and then I'm going to type in power cfg.cpl, press enter, and then as you can see, I have high performance, but I also have ultimate performance as well. Yeah, it's as simple as that.